Okay. Ramya, are you there? I also record the session.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where I can record the session? Yeah. Oh, I didn't share my screen. Okay, fine. So today let me discuss about SD integration. Okay, what is SD integration? Why we need to do integration of SD with F5? Same as usual. So why we did the integration of F5 with MM? The transaction happens in the F5 with MM, right? Sorry, the transaction happens in the MM. Those are any account affectable. System can able to post the entries in the F5, right? So whenever I receive the goods, it automatically update the your F5 model. And whenever I did the invoice verification, whenever I issue the material, in all the cases, system posted the entries in the GL, means I did integration of F5 with MM where in the OBYC screen. So in the same way, at the time of when I deliver the goods to the customer, or whenever I raise the customer, okay, after delivery of the goods, whenever we raise the invoice against the customer, so these are having accounting effect. And not only that, we have to receive the finished goods, right? So till now we didn't create the finished goods master. So if I want to deliver my product, okay, if I want deliver my finished product to the customer, means I have to receive the finished goods from the factory or the plant. So this all the cases it has an accounting effect. So by doing integration of F5 with SD, so system automatically posts the entries in the F5. Okay, so what is the flow? Like we know what is the MM flow, P2P cycle. So in the same way here also, first creation of sales order, right? Then deliver the goods to the customer, then raise the bill against to the customer. Okay. So before that, we'll see what is SD consultant job. So he has to define is the structure, organized structure. So he has to do some configuration. Then as a FICO consultant, I have to create some GL accounts. Then I sit with the SD consultant, then I can do the integration. Okay, so let us do that. SD. Is not required. This step is not required. Okay. First, create with sales organization. So, as a SD consultant, what he has to start? He has to define his organized structure. So here I'm going to create one sales organization. Okay. Sales organization means this is a organization which are responsible all sales activities. So where I can go, SPRO. Enterprise structure. definition and SD. Okay, sales organization. Define sales organization. Sales organization, N16S I'll create. Okay, sales organization for N16. Just give statistics currency, INR. Okay, save it. Company, give the name, N16. Yes. Okay. Search term and giving as N16 SIN. Okay, just I given all these details. Enter. Yeah. Next. Next, what after sales organization, distribution channel. What is distribution channel? Define distribution channel. Okay, distribution channel is nothing but suppose company code is N16. So it's selling its product directly. So directly it is selling. That is one distribution channel. How it is selling? On its own, directly. That is one distribution channel. Or else N16 company code selling goods through third party. That is what distribution channel. So here, those you can create as a distribution channel to in order to track how much sales I did directly, how much sales I did through third party. Okay. So distribution channel means how you are selling the product directly or any third party. Okay, that we can create as a distribution channel. Okay, entries and only 2 digits it is. So let me take N1. Okay, N16, save it. Okay, next shipping point. Shipping point means where exactly we are shipping the goods for to give the delivery to the customer, right? So that is also we have to create shipping point. From the plant, suppose you are going to deliver the goods to the customer. Okay, suppose he is out of the country. So first, what you have to do from the plant or factory, the goods should be loaded to the at the shipping point, right? Then from there it will go to the customer, right? So that shipping point also we should create. Logistic execution. Define no, define shipping point. Shipping point. Copy. No. Why it is coming? Sorry, define shipping point. New entries. N16. shipping point N16, factory calendar. So suppose why factory calendar, I told you once. Factory calendar means this already prepared by the logistic people. There they can specify what are the working days. Okay, Monday to Saturday. Sunday is the holiday, and also they mention what are the public holidays, national holidays, everything they mention in the factory calendar. So that what happens, suppose by mistake the end user on this Sunday he is trying to give the entry to give the shipping to the in the system, so it will not allow him, saying that today is the Sunday, so it will not allow him. Okay, that is the reason. Not only here, where the in the plant also we have given that, right? So factory calendar. Same company. What we are creating shipping points. I'll create with N16S only. Shipping point. Shipping point for N16 and again N16. Okay. Country. Execute. So enter select. So I created that N16S shipping point. Okay. Next, I created sales organization, distribution channel, shipping point, then assignment. Assign sales organization to company code. Assign sales organization to assignment. Assign sales organization to company. This is just creation and assignment. Position, sales organization, company code. Okay, save it. Next, assign distribution channel to sales. How many distribution channel? I created only one. Suppose in the real environment, there are more. Okay, distribution channels directly and through third party. These we have to create them. Then this we have to assign to the sales organization. Okay, go back. Distribution channel to sales organization. Position, sales organization. Sorry, new entries. Sales organization, distribution channel D1. Enter. No, sorry, N1. 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 Enter. Yeah. Save it. Okay, fine. Now division. Division where we created? In MN, right? So division is nothing but steel division, cement division, whatever the profit center we created in the IFI, those represents as the divisions in the MM. So those divisions also we should assign to the sales organization. Okay. So division is nothing but product. Okay. Assign division to sales organization. Sales organization, division. I think we created with N1. Yeah, state division. Save it. Next. Assign division to sales organization. Okay, this one, right? Assign division to sales. Now, set up sales area. What is set up sales area? It is combination of sales organization, okay, and distribution channel and division. Okay, so it's the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, so here why I have to combine these three? I have to combine a sales organization, distribution channel, and division. is one sales area. Why I have to create them? Why I have to combine them, and why I have to create as a one sales area? Suppose, okay, I have steel product. Okay, so how much steel product I sold from this sales organization directly? I want to know how much steel product I sold from the sales organization through third party. So what is the requirement? Your clients do wants to see how much product I sold from the sales organization directly, and he wants to see how much product he sold from the sales Hyderabad sales organization through different party, means through agents or through third party. So he wants to track the sales directly, or he wants to track the sales on through agents. So how it is possible? By creating the sales area. Okay, I'll create one sales area there. I'll sell Hyderabad sales organization. Direct sale means what? This is distribution channel. This is distribution channel, sales organization, distribution channel, division. Here my distribution channel is direct sale. Here I create one more sales area, sales organization, and agents and steel. Agents is the one distribution channel. So by combining them, I can easily track the sales, how much I sold directly, how much I sold through different party. Understood? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
actually, if the organization isn't from Hyderabad, I think not from Hyderabad. If it is from Bangalore, we have to
You
create another
create one,
sales area.
yeah. You create
Yeah.
one more.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is, I can create 1 to here. So you might be having 10 sales organization, 10 distribution channel in different combinations. I have given only one here.
Okay.
You have one more means, yes, you can create. There is no any particular limit to create these sales areas. Okay, Shana?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then fine. So then, next. Sales organization, right? Distribution channel, direct to sales, division, steel division. Right? Sales organization, distribution channel, division. Save it. Okay, fine. Now, assign sales organization, distribution channel, plant. Okay, plant comes under MM. That is also you have to assign here. Here, assign sales organization, distribution channel, plant. Position, sales organization, N16S. Okay, and new entries, sales organization, N16S. Distribution channel, sorry,
On sales organization. Yes.
N16S. Distribution channel. Why I'm keep getting D. N1 plant, N16P. Okay, sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. Save it. Next, assign shipping point to plant. Assign shipping point to plant. Okay, first select. There are so many. Just go for find button. N16. Okay, plant is N16. Okay, select this, go for assign. Here we have to select our shipping point. LOP. Okay, and shipping point I created as a N16, is it? N16 is okay, shipping point only N16 I created. Are you sure N16 only I created shipping point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I created with the N16, yes, means it was nice actually. N16. Fine. Okay. Yeah, now it is okay. This is just organization creation and assignment. Okay. And I assign the shipping point to the plant also. Now maintain pricing procedure. Now the SD guys, they have to maintain the pricing procedure to fix the price of the product. How they can fix one product price? They have to consider so many things, right? What is the price? Okay. What is the material price? Whatever. There are so many things to be taken to calculate the price of the product. So here, what happened, SAP has given so many pricing procedures. So let me show you, there are so many pricing procedures. Everything is over. Enterprise structure. Basic functions, SD basic functions. Pricing. Pricing control. Here, you can see define and assign pricing procedure. First, let me show you maintain pricing procedure. SAP has given so many pricing procedures. Okay, so these are so many pricing. What is there in the pricing procedure? Okay, so show me one. I will show you one. Pricing procedure. I am taking RVAA01. Okay, this is a standard pricing procedure. It almost suits for all the clients. Okay, so what is there under this pricing procedure? What SAP has given this? Select this, go for control data. There is some calculation procedure is there. Okay, so the SD guys, they can copy this RVA01. Okay, if it suits for the client. Okay, so RVA01 pricing procedure, they will take it for calculation of pricing price for the product. Then they will do any changes if they want. Okay, and 1 second. Here one step required. Yeah, okay. 9 months. Okay, I'll tell you what is this. Okay. Okay, so what I told, I'll come back. So I'll take RBA01 pricing procedure and go for control data. Okay, so there are so many pricing procedures, condition types are there. By doing these condition types, okay, they can maintain the pricing procedure. Almost RVAS01 is suitable for all the clients. In real time also, the SD consultant will take this pricing procedure based on the requirement. He will do some changes here. Okay, no need to bother about this pricing procedure, what is there, what is inside. Just forget about this, is not your job. Okay, so but what I'm telling, in your system, select position 916 915 there MWST condition type is it. If it is required entry, okay, deselect that one, otherwise you'll get error. Okay, you understand why it is okay. If you get any error in between while creation of sales order anything, okay, don't do in the beginning itself. When you get any sales order condition type, this is that means, then you come here RVAS01, then 915 MWST condition type. It should be not required entry. Okay, if you get error, come to this step. Okay, otherwise no need to do that. Okay, understood what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Because most servers it is coming as a required entry. Sometimes even output tax is not given. It will not allow you to generate the document. So make it as an option, means without tax also you can able to post it. So if I make it as an option, what is that? Without tax also I can do the transaction. Okay. Okay. So here this RVAE01. Okay. So they will do some changes and they can assign to the sales organization. Okay, where they can assign, that is maintain pricing procedure. First they will do changes anything here if they want. I'm not doing anything here. Then go back here, define document pricing procedure. Sorry. Define pricing procedure determination. Define pricing procedure. Here new entries, sales organization N16S, distribution channel N1, division N1. Yeah. So what is our pricing procedure? RVAA01. Okay. And again, document procedure. Okay. Document procedure. Why? For determining the pricing procedure. Okay. This is, I am giving here standard 1A. Why I am giving A, I tell you. This is for at the time of creation of sales order. Okay, what I'm telling, in the sales order creation, there are some billing types. Okay, that we are not aware of that. What are the billing types? The SD guys, they can maintain. So at the time of sales order creation, okay, billing types are there. For the billing types, okay, under the billing type, there is, here what I'm doing, I'm assigning a standard procedure. And in the billing type also, the SD guys, they will assign the A standing procedure. Here it is A, and in the billing type, there is also they assign the A. So that here A and there is also A. So at the time of creation of sales order, system will able to determine the pricing procedure RVAS01. When? At the time of creation of sales order. If I don't give any pricing here, in the billing type means at the time of creation of sales order, there should be one billing type. Okay, system how find out this pricing procedure at the time of creation of sales order? So here I have to give A, and this A I no need to give manually again in the billing type. It is already the SD consultant, they already assigned into the billing type. So here A, in the billing type also A, that billing type will be come into picture when we create a sales order, so that for that sales order, system will trigger out this RVAS0. Understood?
Yes,
Okay. Fine. This is customer pricing procedure. I have 10 customers. Okay. And how system, okay, for 10 customers, you can use RVAS01 only pricing procedure, or for 10 customers, I want to use a 10 different pricing procedure. How system will come to know for this customer procedure RVAS01, for another customer RVAS02 pricing procedure? How system will find out for one customer only RVAS01, Here first what I do, for customer pricing procedure, here I'll give, say for example, A1. And again, I'm going to create the customer master. There also I'll give 1. Here is 1. At the time of creation of customer master, there also I have to give 1. So whenever I create the sales order for that customer, system will use this pricing procedure or not. Is it? So this is for to determine the pricing procedure for the customer. This is to determine the pricing procedure at the time of sales order creation, because I am creating one sales order for one customer. I am creating one more sales order for another customer. How system will come to know for this sales order for this customer, this pricing procedure, by doing this configuration. Understood? Any questions? And here, this condition type, this not required, leave it, save it. If any error it will come, then I will show you this. Okay. Define pricing procedure. So this define pricing procedure means I assign it to the sales organization. Okay, and I specify the document procedure and customer pricing procedure. Okay, and this is over. Assign shipping points. Yes. So you have to tell shipping conditions from this plan to that shipping point, how you are going to loading the goods, what is the priority. So you have to specify everything. So next, shipping and logistic. Shipping. Okay, logistic execution, shipping, and define shipping conditions. Assign shipping points. Assign shipping points. Please here shipping conditions as soon as possible. Okay, loading group, manual. Okay, and from this plant, okay, as soon as possible. Okay, I am going to ship these goods manually. Okay, so that is the reason storage what is shipping condition is as soon as possible. How? Manually from which plant? N16P. Proposed shipping point. I created as N16. Okay, save it. Very good. Next, and set up partner determination. Yes, what is partner determinations? Yeah, this is actual partner functions. Partner functions are there. What are partner functions? Actually, there are sold to party to whom you are going to sold the product. Ship to party to whom you are going to shipping the goods. Bill to party against whom you are raising the bill. Payer, who is paying to you. These you have to tell in the system. Okay, what is this? What is sold to party? What is, suppose I sold goods to one person. Okay, maybe I can give delivery to the goods whoever suppose I sold one goods to the where to customer X. Okay, but he asked us to please give the delivery to the Y person. Whoever you address, for them I am going to give the shipping to Y person. So we are raising the bill against some Z person. Okay, so we are getting payment from another person. So it may be happen. Right, maybe everything will be done to one person only. X, suppose I can sold the goods X, the shipping also X, billing also X, payer also X. It may be like that, or the scenario is selling the goods to X, but shipping to the another Y, billing to maybe Y, but payer is some Z. It may be different scenario. So these are partner functions we should maintain in the SAP system. Understood what I'm telling? Partner functions. What we call them? Partner function. You have to mention to whom you are going to sold, to whom you are shipping the goods, to whom you are against whom you are raising the bill, then who are paying to you. These are the partner functions are mandatory in the system. Okay, so let me create them. It is already there in the, so these we have to create to the account group, customer account group. We create a customer account group. Do you remember when we create customer account group? Tell me when we create a customer account group.
In AR, ma'am.
AR, yes. First we create the account groups. There I maintain the fields according to my requirement, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's. Partner determination. SD, basic functions, partner determination. Set a partner determination. First, set a partner determination for customer master. So first, let me show you what are partner functions. Okay, let me show you what are partner functions. It is already predefined. I just enter into the screen, then I double click on this subfolder, which is partner function. Position, I'll show you sold to party. It is already there, sold to party. Okay, and ship to party. Okay, then BP, bill to party, and here payer. Okay, these partner functions, what I do know, partner determination procedure. 1 second. Okay, partner determination procedure here. Create one procedure. Next, just come partner functions in procedure. Select this. I created just one procedure. Go for this subfolder partner functions, new entries. Here I have to maintain sold to party, bill to party, sorry, ship to party, bill to party and payer. Okay, maintaining all these are mandatory. I'm making them, so we should maintain all mandatory. What is this checkbox? So I make them as a mandatory. So we have to maintain all them. These are mandatory. We have to specify to whom you are selling, shipping or billing, or who you are who is going to pay you. This we should maintain. Those are mandatory. And here not modifiable. See, actually, once I sold the product, I can't change the to whom I sold the product. Once I did the sales, yeah, I have given this. I did the sales to particular ex customer. Once I did the sales, I can't change him. But if you want, you can change the shipping party and sold to party. Okay, so always make this sold to party not modifiable. Once we did the customer to any customer sales, we cannot change him. If you want, we can change shipping to another one, billing to another one. So we have to make it as a not modifiable. Okay, save it. And next, account groups. Here, new entries. Okay, and next, one second. This is little complicated. Account groups. Go here also. Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, pay. These partner function to whom I am going to assign. We created one customer account group in the AR. For that customer account group, I am going to assign these partner functions. So do you remember what is that N16? We assign the number range, okay? Okay. So these partner functions so I assign these partner functions to account group. I already these partner functions, what I did, I maintain them as a mandatory and sold to party is not modifiable. I already did. I maintain them. I maintain their status. These partner function I assign to the account group, save it. Then finally, partner determination, proceed assignment. Here, position, account group. Okay, one second. New entries. Account group is N16. Okay. What I did, this is our account group. There I assigned all the partner functions. This is partner procedure. Here, partner procedure under N16, I maintain again their partner functions. I made those as a mandatory and not modifiable, whatever. And finally, this account group, I am going to assign this partner determination procedure. Okay. So first what I did here, I created one N16 procedure, right? Then I select this, then I went for these partner functions. I maintain them as a the status. Then I came here, account groups. Here what I did, these partner function I assigned to the account group. Then finally, this account group I assign into the partner procedure. Simple. Okay. Fine. Next. Yeah, now we have to create GL accounts. Okay. Creation of GL accounts. So let me create a 3 lakhs for GL account. It's a sales GL account. This is our sales own goods. And where 029, 3 lakhs 5. Let me create with the, sorry. This is our sales GL account. I am creating by copying that. Let me change this description, sales home goods. Let me select deselect. So if I want to post without tax also, yes, it will allow you. We have to select this. It is there already. Okay. And here we have to change the Z029 revenue accounts. Field status group as a Z029. And till now, I didn't create any cost elements for the revenue, liabilities, and assets. I am creating primary cost elements only for what? Tell me.
Expenditure, ma'am.
Yes. But in case in your actually CO, I told you, CO we discussed cost elements, cost centers, internal orders. We are left with one more topic, one more submodel, that is COPA. COPA is only for reporting tool. Okay, reporting tool means where I want to see the profitability on different aspects. Suppose I want to see the profitability customer wise or product wise. I want to see the profitability sales organization wise, country wise, employee wise. So this is all possible in the COPA report. Report that is only reporting tool. So actually no postings will be done in the COPA. If you take internal orders, there are postings there. And if you take cost elements, cost center, there are actual posting has done. But in case COPA, which is part of CO model, one submodel, okay, there no postings will be done, but reporting we can see there is only reporting tool. But fine, okay. If in your client place they are using COPA reporting tool means, see how you can see the profit analysis of profit. There should be sales amount 500 rupees and there should be cost 200. Your price and cost profit is 300, right? So to see the 300 rupees profit in the COPA, there should be sales amount should be there and there should be cost amount also should be there. Then only he can see the 300 rupees profit, right? How these sales amount, how this cost will go to the COPA, we have to map all the things with the COPA that we can see in the COPA. So to whatever the FI guys sold under this GL account sales. Okay, how much sales he did? 5 lakhs rupees sales he did. This sales amount should be go to the COPA. Okay, how? By creating this. Okay, revenue cost element. This is we call as a not primary revenue cost. If I don't create this as a cost element, the sales which have done by the FI end user will not go to the COPA. So we can't analyze the profit in the COPA. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just if I don't create this in the report, when you see the report, you can't see the how much sales you have seen. If you don't know the sales, how you can see the profit? Okay. So this I'm going to create as a revenue cost element. Remember, this is for to recognize the revenue. Okay, save it. Next, assignments of accounts for automatic posting. Assignments of accounts for automatic posting. This is nothing but maintain the VKOA is an integration of FI with SD. OBYC is integration of FI with AML. Okay, VKOA is the integration of FI with SD. Okay, so I am going to integrate the FI with SD. Oh, SPRO. Here. SD. Account assignment. Revenue account determination. Assign GL accounts. VK. Here, select customer group, material group, accounting key. By using this combination, I am going to assign the GL accounts. Okay. Yeah. New entries. Yeah. Here, where we are doing in this integration. SD. Yeah. Next, what is it first? Let me assign what is the GL account you want to update whenever you sold your own goods. 3 lakhs file. Okay. Here, just giving the 3 lakhs file, it is not sufficient. So we have to tell the system, suppose condition type. What is condition type? So there are two types of condition types. Suppose account determination. Suppose in a FI, in your client place, FI is only implemented. Then we have to use KO FI. In your client place, apart from FI, they are also using the CO model. Then we'll go for this. Okay. So depends on that. In CO is implemented, you can use either this or that. Okay. Suppose in your client place only FI is implemented, go for KO FI. CO is not implemented means you have to use KO FI. CO is implemented means you can use this also. Okay, but I'm selecting KO FI. Okay, then chart of accounts. N16 sales organization. Account assignment category. This is important. Okay. I have customer. Domestic customers, I want to use 3 lakhs 5 GL account. For foreign customers, I want to use 3 lakhs 6 GL account. For another customers, I want to use 3 lakhs 8. How system will come to know? Okay. So here, domestic customers, I will give. Suppose I want 3 lakhs 5 GL account for domestic customers, I'll give this domestic customers. Then again, when I'm going to create the customer master, there also I'll give 1. Here I'm giving 1 domestic, and when I'm going to create the customer master, there also I'll give 0 1. So whenever I sold the goods for that customer, obviously system will update this GL account. So why I'm giving account assignment group for the customer? To determine the GL account for the customer. How system will come to know? Suppose I'm creating one Samsung customer. Okay. So for that Samsung customer, how system will come to know 0 lakhs 5 means here I'll give 1 0 1 domestic. He is my domestic customer. Here I'll give 0 1. And when I'm going to give create the Samsung customer, there also I also give 0 1. So whenever I did the sales with the Samsung, obviously in the Samsung master 0 1, here is 0 1, it will trigger out this GL account. Okay. Next, account assignment group. Okay, I have finished goods. Okay, my final product. In my final product, suppose here I go finished goods. I sold my finished goods. I sold some trading goods. I provide some services. But for whenever I sold the finished goods, I want to update this 3 lakhs 5 GL account. Whenever I sold, I'll provide services to another. I want to go for another GL account. How will come to system will come to know whenever you are selling your finished goods or when you are providing your services, how system will come to know, Here I'll give 03 finished goods. Again, when I'm going to create the master finished goods master, there also I'll give 03. So whenever I sold that finished goods, system will update this 3 lakhs. Understood?
Yes, understood, madam.
Okay. Yes, this URL. What is this URL? You know, I tell you first. Here I shown one this procedure, this one, no, RVAA01 pricing procedure I assigned to you, right? So here, these are the condition types. By using these condition types, they will maintain the pricing procedure. So here you can see ERL accounting key. Do you remember by using the transaction keys, we assign the GL accounts in the GST process? Do you remember like this table in the GST calculation procedure?
Yes, madam.
Right? So there we have given some accounting keys. There we call as a transaction keys. By using the transaction keys, what we did? Tell me. By using the in the table, if you remember, 1 second, I want to go SPRO. So here I given some transaction keys. By using the transaction keys, I assign the GL accounts. Do you remember? So system automatically update the GLs. So here also, here you can see ERL accounting key. That ERL accounting key I have to give here. So this is for to determine the pricing procedure. Okay. So whenever you sold any product for that price under that pricing procedure, okay, I'm telling whenever you sold any product under RVAA01 pricing procedure, so system will trigger out this ERL and it will update this 3 lakhs by GL account. So at each stage, you have to tell the system, if I sold this product, 3 lakhs 5. If I sold this, if I am selling the product for this customer, I want to use 3 lakhs 5. For this pricing procedure, I want to use 3 lakhs 5. Suppose another pricing procedure, okay, 3 lakhs 6 GLM. How system will come to know each stage means how each level I have to give this link. Okay, understood? Save it. Save it. So this is integration of FI with SD. So what is our job exactly? I tell you, creation of GL accounts, okay, and assigning these GL accounts in the VKOA. Okay, so we have to create these GLs. I created only 3 lakhs per year, but they have different so many products, different sales organization. For different customers, they want to use the different GLs. For different finished goods, they want to use the different GLs. Means we have to create them and we have to give them. Okay. So this is about, remember, VKOA. OBYC is for FIMM, VKOA is for the SD integration. Okay. This is about. Next. That is we can, yeah. Up to date here. Okay, this we can continue. Sunday I will update you if you want. I will take it. Otherwise, Monday I will take it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Then.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Pongam.
Thank you. Thank you. Wish you the same.